Warga Patisi TV.
The Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad Meghalaya Club Manabakan Penlong Ikan 9 State Conference Kabalayski Hagashnong Khliehriat East Jandy Hills Khliehriat Yo Bon Kiman Kibiaday Pat Kabahakamiat Jigi Samla Pule Hagajala Meghalaya Barokaway Hagajing Kramakilat Patay Kuboru State Secretary Janga Seng Utengko Marak Ulo Omagindan Palat South Pangut Kinang Shimbenta Nakalengki District Kajala Meghalaya Kabanlong Nadok Kakandru Turek Hado Kakaprate Urisaw Arajal Arpusan.
Since it is a student organizations and being words as a student organizations, even Abvp Meghalaya also organizing a various program across the state. We used to organize Best Student Award for the meritorious students, and we used to conduct general knowledge tests across the country. And we used to conduct like personal development camp for the students, for class 10 and 12 students. And in this month, we are going to have a state conference in Khliehriat Joy. So for this state conference, we have already had a meeting, like state level meeting and a state office barrier meeting. So we have already discussed about the state conference, what are the activities and what are the discussion is going to happen in the state conference. This state conference is basically for 3 days, and since many years back we are having a state conference, and this is the 9th state conference of Abvp Meghalaya. So in this state conference, around 400 delegates from across the country, across the state, going to participate, and from different districts, from different colleges, and from different universities. For this state conference, firefighters of Joy and Khliehriat, they are working day and night tirelessly to make this program successful. In regard to this, I have already mentioned that we have already had a meeting for the multiple times, and we have already discussed about the sessions and the schedules for this state conference. On first day, we are going to have a district-wise meeting, and the second day we are going to have elections that we used to have every year for electing the new state presidents and secretary for the year 2026. And after that, we will be having our inaugural session on second day, and at the same time, leadership quality training session. On the last day of the state conference, we will be having a role model session. This is one of the session that we started, that we initiated, that we used to invite like eminent persons from different fields in order to encourage the youth and the participant in the state conference. And on the same day, we will be having a cultural session with full traditional attire and to showcase the deep-rooted cultures of Meghalaya. And most importantly, in this state conference, we are going to pass resolutions, and we have already set a committee for that also. And we have already discussed along with the committee members what the topic should be come up. Number one, the resolution has already met. Number one, in education sector, like allotment of more budget for the higher education. As we all know that Meghalaya is facing like insufficient institution for the higher education. Like we don't have enough universities for the students from Meghalaya. After graduation, the most of the students, they need to go outside for their further education, and they need to expend more money for their higher education. So in concerning to this, with the Abvp Meghalaya bringing this resolution and urging the state government to for the allotment of more budget for the higher education, and to open up government colleges in every district. And the second resolution is drugs issues. As we all aware about the drugs issues in the state of Meghalaya, especially in Shillong city. Like many of the youths are addicted to drugs, and many students have been sending to the rehabilitation center, and many youths are losing their life. So in this issue also we are bringing the resolution in this state conference, and we'll be submitting this resolution to the state government. And this is our demand that the state government should take a serious step and action in this issue. And thirdly, third resolution is all about the illegal immigration. As we all know, this is one of the very serious issue that we can see in the state of Meghalaya. That especially the like Garo Hills. The Garo Hills is one of the illegal immigration problem. In every district we can see the increasing number of the Bangladeshis and illegal immigration in Garo Hills area. So this is a very serious issue, and not only that, even love jihad, land jihad are also going on in the state of Meghalaya. This is a threat to the indigenous people of Meghalaya, and we are urging the state government to take action and to take steps in this issue. So this is the resolution that we are bringing in the 8th state conference. So that's all about the 8th state or 9th state conference of Abvp Meghalaya. So now we will release the poster to 8th state conference or 9th state conference. Sorry.
เป็นเรียวสกว่าอย่ากักเตียนละจองเป็นดำคำอย่ากาบักันเกี่ยวกักเตียนคาซีกักเตียนละจองอายกันรอยกันปาบาเลพีองกีดฮับังีดอนละกจองกักันเตียนคาซีครดบลานิพาลอร์ปลีลานิคังยากตุกพาลอร์งีจุยองSaka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapate CTV, nakabenta ka jingmantoy upat ba.